Good morning, everyone. It is September 21st, 8:23 a.m. We're going to look at the charts. Hold on. Alright, I'm back again. It is, what day is it? It's 8:25. So it's 9/21/2020, 8:25 in the morning. I had to go get some chocolate milk. This is the daily chart. We'll leave that one on there. We're going to get rid of some of these lines because they're not really relevant at the moment. Got a lot of lines here. Where's that other red one? Nope, not red one. Might have it. Nope. There. We'll get rid of that one. Alright, so if you look, we closed at 229.54, and right now we're sitting at 29.05. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this gap right here. See if I can. It's been a while since I made a rectangle. So something like that. We'll highlight that gap. It shows it here. And then there was another gap here that we technically never filled the whole thing. So if you look, we got high of 30.78.1 and it closed at 30.86. Oh hell. Let's look at that again. Close 86, high 78. Yeah, so we're $6 off. So we're gonna highlight that one as well, because we really want to look forward to close a gap sometime. Just don't know when. So we've got it marked here and marked here on the daily. Now we've got this big gap here on the daily that we never were able to close. So we had a close here and then an open here, but we got a high there. So we're going to fill in this gap too. I guess we got it right there. I'm trying to stretch it out, but something like that. Kind of get the idea. So that's our gapper. I guess it really doesn't count because we got that little. Yeah, we'll look for it to get in there. Okay, so we've got 2.5 minutes for the open. All right, let's go over what happened. So the Dow Jones, everything just fell overnight because TikTok, because of the Supreme Court justice, because China and Taiwan or something were playing military games. There was news about money laundering through the banks, something. It's just all bad news. That's why we don't hold these options overnight, because you never know. Right now it's volatile. You never know what's going to happen. So we went from 35.52 down to 29.05. That's a $650 drop down in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 trading days. I mean, that's quite a bit. I mean, that's $50 a day, I think. So right now we're down. Amazon's down $50 in the close, roughly. So it's doing this consolidation. Blow this up. So we're doing this consolidation here, and we're in this box. So once we pop out of this box, one way or the other, we can buy something. I would make another box, I guess. High and low. Yeah, this ain't really. See if I can squeak this up a little bit. Yeah, close. So got some differentiating right there. Alright, so once we pop out of this box here, all this consolidation one way or the other, we can place a trade. Alright, daily is down on the MACD. MACD's up on the 15. We've got about 30 seconds. Also, Robinhood was telling me that they were going to be down until the open, which they were true to their word. They opened back up, so that's good. Amazon's down $48 right now. And we look here, it doesn't really have an open, it doesn't have a live thing. So we'll look We'll look at it. I'm going to go to the Yahoo Finance and look at where we're at with the futures, percentage wise. 830. Everything's down, but 1.5% to 2%. 1 second. All right, so we're looking at it. We still got volume to the upside, and then we'll drop down to the 1 minute frame, and we can go to the 5 minute frame too. I guess everything's quite turned up. Went up here. Now we can see here, everything's down 1.5%, almost 2%. So Amazon is in the SPY, SP, and in the NASDAQ. So if these go down, it kind of drags Amazon down for the most part, but not always the case. All right, we've got options for September 25th. In the money for put is $71. In the money for a call is 70, yeah, $7 grand. So you're looking at $7 grand either way. All right. So which way are we going to go? There's the 1 minute. There's the 5 minute. Looking for it to break out of that box and then fill that gap. Looking at 6,900 call. $72.45 call. Got filled. 71.95. So we bought the 29.20 call for 71.95, expiration 9.25, and bought right where we're at right now is 53 cents on the dollar. So we're about $2, $1 negative. It's moving fast now. Can't really do the math in my head. $0.5. Looks like we bought it around 26. I can't tell. Looks like we bought around 26, 27. I'll just put it at 27 right now. Can't really tell. It's just moving too much for me. Between TD Ameritrade got a slight delay compared to Robinhood's prices, so I can't really tell. Looks like we're close. $5 up. So we'll switch back over to the 5 here and the 15-minute here. Babies are just whining, crying. Alright, well, broke out of this box here, and then we started heading up. Got some pullback here. Oops. I thought we would catch this gap, but it doesn't look like it. I don't know. Now we're getting killed. Extend this out. Alright, so Amazon went from negative 0.8% to negative 1.24. Everything else seems like it's climbing back up. I don't know if everybody was buying that morning dip, overnight dip, but we definitely went the wrong way. We were up 350 at one time, and now we're down 400. So 52 cents on the dollar. So we're down about $8, $7. Yeah. So that's pretty close to being right, 29, 27. So we'll hold on to that and see what happens. I'll hit pause for now. Alright, so we're down almost $20, over $20 now. Usually that's the time I start to average down. So I'm gonna see if we get closer to this mark here. But maybe somewhere right here. Might try to catch another one. Or if it starts to break up, I'm gonna catch another one about that same spot. Until then, I'm just kind of watching it. Alright, just an update. Not a whole lot has changed. So we're on the 15 and the 1 hour. 15 still considered going up. And the 1 hour kind of looks like it might cross over and continue up. Not quite sure. This looks like some volume, but for the 1 hour, not a whole lot of volume. But only a half hour of this hour is in the open. The other half hour was pre-market. So that may be expected. We'll see what happens. Next 15 minutes. After this 15-minute candle closes, we'll see what's really about to happen. So keep you updated. All right, there's the end of that candle, and then we'll watch, see what happens. We can extend this out a little bit. So we had a high of 29.34.20. Right now we're at 22. So about $10 off the high for the day. We've got all this consolidation. We're going to use this high right here overnight as support, and hopefully it can maybe hit there and bounce off and continue to the upside. I'll keep you posted. I was able to buy another one on the way up. Average down or average up just a little bit, 50 cents. So right now I'm getting 54 cents on the dollar for each, so it's $1.08, roughly $1.08. And it's saying it's behind. I can't figure it out. It's saying that I'm even right now. Even though my average cost went down 30 cents, saying that I'm about even. So it's a little bit behind. TD Ameritrade a little bit behind. So keep watching it. Hopefully we bounce up through. I still think this is about where I'm at. All right. Well, I'll give that some time, and then I'll make sure this is an accurate line to reach for, and I'll catch up. After watching it for a minute, I guess 29.32 will be roughly my entry for the both. It doesn't make any sense to me, but we'll go with it. I still think it's a little bit lower, but So right now I'm plus 621. So that means I would be $6 up, $7.50 up. So yeah, maybe right. All right. So getting close to that. There it is. 76 something. 76.85. So right now it's at 78.85. 79. I can't really get it. There we go. 78.75 maybe. 78.30. All right. I was able to sell two of them for 78.35. So I sold somewhere in this area. I don't really know where, but we'll gold it for you. And that made me over $1,000. So I'm at 1325 roughly. So give me a second. I'll catch you up on the Robinhood. All right, we're back. So I had a withdrawal last week of $6,200. That was pretty much my profit for the week. Normally take half of it, put it in the checking, half of it in the savings, and then a quarter of it goes to taxes. So if I save more than I have to pay in taxes at the end of the year, I'll be safe, and then I'll have a little bit extra to, who knows, splurge on something. So here's for today. 19 minutes ago, I bought my first call buy at 71.95. 71.95, and then averaged down. Look, see, it was cheaper, so I averaged down just a little bit, even though we were confused on where exactly my entry was. But so I'm all in there at 14.35, whatever, 14.335, and then I sold two of them. Excuse me. A few minutes later for 15.660, giving me 13.25. Roughly 13.25. See, it went down a little bit. It was down 700 at one time. Didn't sweat. Just averaged down. 13.25 for the day. So that's a wrap, I would say. Um, yeah, I mean, see, this is where I sold. So I've been making a little bit more money, but we lock in the profit. We'll wait for some pattern to really develop, which, I mean, it looks like it's getting ready to skyrocket, but we locked in our profit for the day. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, um, comment, subscribe, turn on the notifications. If you're in long-term investing, I'll leave you an Acorns link. You can round up your change from your credit card and debit cards. If you use my link, I get $5. You get $5. And then if you want to share that with a friend, then you get $5 and your friend gets $5. I'm just trying to help somebody out. I'll also leave a link below for uh, patterns and trends and candlestick readings from wysetrades and the trading channel. That's kind of helped me out. There's all kinds of gurus on YouTube, so I try to avoid those because they're going to take some money out of your pocket to try to make you some money. But these are just free videos to help you learn how to read these candlesticks, how to find support and resistant lines, show you what this little box here around consolidation. Pretty much if you put a box around consolidation and whichever way it breaks out, you bet that way. And that's as simple as it gets for the box trading. But there's support, there's resistance, trends. I'll put a couple links below. Check them out. Again, if you like the video, thumbs up. Feel free to comment. If you want to troll me, I don't care. That's fine. So $1,300 and we'll just say a half hour. That's a wrap. Gotta go teach my kids about hard work. Peace.